Hello viewers, today we are talk about Theo Van. Theo Van was born on November 23rd, 1862 in Belgium. Coming from a well-off family, he showed an earlier aptitude for the arts. Van's initial art education began at the Academy of Fine Arts in Belgium, where he studied under Theodore Joseph Canil, seeking broader horizon and deeper expertise. He later attended the Academy of Fine Arts in Europe, which would shape his artistic trajectory. Van's early works were characterized by the influence of the Realist and Impressionist movement. He traveled extensively during his formative years, visiting Morocco in 1882 and Spain in 1883. This travel enriched his faith and introduced him to the vibrant interplay of light and color, evident in the works he produced during this period. In 1883, Van became a founding member of a group of 20 Belgian artists who rebelled against the conservative art establishment. The group was instrumental in bringing the latest European art trends of Belgium, organizing annual exhibitions that showcased work by artists such as James Wester. Van's artistic evolution took a decisive turn after encountering the works of George Seurat and Paul Signac. The meticulous technique of Pointillism developed by Seurat captivated him. Pointillism involved the application of small, distinct dots of color appealed in patterns to form an image. The method relies on the viewer's eye and mind to blend the color spots into a fuller range of tones. This approach appealed to Van, interested in color theory and scientific principles of light. Around 1886, Van fully embraced Pointillism, refining his technique over the following years. His participation in the eighth and final Impressionist exhibition in Paris in 1886 marked a significant milestone as exhibited alongside luminaries like Seurat and Signac. Van's painting La Lecture 1903, showcasing his wife reading in a sunlight room, exemplifies his mastery of pointillism, combining meticulous technique with intimate subject matter. Van's mature period saw a blend of pointillism with the border brushwork technique while still adhering the principles of pointillism. His later works exhibited a freer handing to paint allowing for greater expressiveness. His landscapes, portraits, and scans of domestic life were influenced with luminous quality, capturing the ethereal nature of light. One of his most celebrated works, The Reading Woman, 19th century, demonstrates his ability to harmonize color and light. The painting features his wife, Maria Monod, bathed in the warm glow of afternoon light, rendered through thousands of carefully placed dots. The result is a serene and intimate portrayal that optimizes Van's skill and sensitivity as an artist. Theo played a central role in dismantling the principles of New Impressionism across Europe. His connection with artistic critics and collectors helped promote the pointillist technique beyond its prescience. Organs, despite the eventual decline of pointillism's popularity, Van's contribution to the movement were profound, influencing a generation of artists who sought to explore the scientific underpinnings of color and light. Beyond his technical innovation, Van's work is celebrated for its emotional reasons and aesthetic beauty. His ability to capture the subtleties of human experience through the rigorous framework of Pointillism marks him as a unique figure in the history of art. In his later years, Vance moved away from the strict confines of Pointillism, adopting a looser style that still retained the luminosity and vibrancy of his earlier works. He continued to paint and exhibit until his death on 14 December 1926 in Saint Clair, France. Today his works are held in major museums and collections worldwide, a testament to his enduring legacy in the world of art. Theo Van remains a pivotal figure in the development of modern art, bridging the gap between the Impressionist and Post Impressionist movement and paving the way of future exploration into the science of color and the precipitation of light. Thank you viewers for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.